Okay, so we got your application and everything seems great. Everything is great.
Yeah.
But one thing is, it seems like you forgot to fill out the race. You didn't fill that
Oh,
part
I'm
out.
sorry. That must have slipped my mind. Yeah,
Oh.
I must have forgot to fill that out. My apologies.
Oh yeah, I see. I see. But what's your race? Just so I can get that last part for the
Now that
application.
I'm thinking about it, what does it matter, right? Like,
Uh,
it's kind of outdated on applications, isn't it? Like, what's the point for it? If it don't pertain to the job, I don't really see why it matters. Like, everybody's the same, right?
yeah. But okay, all right. Yeah, I was about to just watch some TV, watch some sports. You watch any sports?
Yeah, I like a few sports.
Oh yeah, what sports? What sports do you like?
Football, hockey, you know, baseball.
Nice, nice. Yeah, I was about to make some dinner. What about you? What you have for dinner?
Yeah, I actually had some spaghetti made.
How long was it made? A few days, a week, couple weeks. Huh?
I actually made it today.
Convenient. Okay. You have a favorite music genre?
I like a few genres. Classical, jazz, hip hop, pop, rock.
Let's signal in on the hip hop. Who do you think is the best rapper of all time? Who's the best?
Um,
Come on, let's hear it, man.
I have to say Eminem.
Oh, really? You sure you don't want to choose Biggie or Tupac? What about them?
Nope, has to be Eminem. I just think he's best rapper overall.
Okay. Well, I guess I'm not going to use up any more of your time. You have a good day.
Okay, you too. Listen, I can explain.
Yeah, it's going to be a no for us. I'm sorry.